All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Borsino, Man Over Market, and today is May 21st, and this is the ES Morning Call. Well, the market overnight, not much of a range. We got a 21.2075 high and a 21.15 low. So basically a 600-point range. Jobless claims came out this morning. Not much of an effect on the market at all. When we take a look at what's up on our chart here, this is our 20-day profile based on day only action, day only action. We've got the 20-day mode moving up to 21.10, basically 63, and then 21.1888 is the um, uh, top of the value area high for the 20-day period. We've had, couple higher close, sideways, higher. This was a lower close, but the mode was the same. Basically, this was a lower close, and the mode was the same. So when you look at the action that I'm looking at, you're talking about when you take a look at day action. We're looking at working at our third lower close today on the way down. I think the market, should go to test the bottom in this bar right here. Pull back to the 2090, 2110 for sure would be a very good target for us. We got yesterday to 2113, and I think that was the end of it as far as that was concerned. When we take a look at 4 hour Keltner, kind of stuck now in, right, we went up, we topped out, we came back down. Even though we're seeing these are kind of flat now, so they're not really showing us a lot of direction. But even though we've had some move down, it really, I mean, you talk about a 2132 high, and we're still only 1,000 points off the high. Uh, you know, it's not really that much of a move down, even though we spent, one, two, three, those 4 hour bars, then one higher, then one lower, then one higher, working on a higher one now. So I'm still skeptical because this rally's been done on low volume, and anything that's done on low volume is telling me there's not a lot of participants. And if someone steps in, profit taking or short sellers, they could get control of the market. Um, Here's profile overnight right here. We still have um, single prints down here to 2112. That's why I thought this would be a good area to retrace to 2112. Then I like down to this 2107, and then this low 2103 is, and then you look at 2112 area is also a high volume node here. Uh, Starting to put in some volume in this area, probably working in this area when, between 2119 back up to 2122. These are, this is certainly an unfinished top at the all-time high, so you know, we will probably revisit that. You just got to kind of go with the flow. When I look at the sisters right now, uh, you got the Dow is in 5 minutes in a sell, the Nasdaq's in a buy, the TF is in a buy. Um, so you got to look for the market to failure on either sides. Um, Either to take out a Globex low or a Globex high. That's also really important for us. All right. Here is a 30-minute chart. We've got 2126.75 is the top of value. It's also the top of that zone that we kind of like to use for the middle. 2123 and a quarter is the point of control. 21 21 the bottom of value, and we're opening up outside of value right now. So you know, like I said, it's always the key. Can we get back inside here and go test the point of control? And let's see if we fail there. See if this ends up being resistance, the bottom of this blue zone, which was the middle from yesterday. 2118 is the bull bear zone, and let me switch this to a 5 minute pivot. Let's see where we're at with the 5 minute. Okay. 5 minute basis, we've got 2117 half. 2117 half is the 5 minute pivot. So the Russell and the S&P and the Nasdaq are in buys, and the Dow's in a sell. Starting out the day with the Nasdaq down 7, Russell down 2, YM down 20, and we're down 2. So kind of a mixed bag of donuts this morning. Uh, a little computer problem. Looking at bonds, bonds are basically still trading in a range at the top of yesterday's high range at 150, 153.12. Oil has made a move down to 57 overnight, trading lower, and gold is also making a move down as we speak. I don't have the value areas in from yesterday. I will get that in and put it out, tweet it. But gold is back down to 1202 after making this high on Monday. Was it Monday at 1232? So that's what we got. Range bound markets got a little profit taking in gold, and then S&Ps. We're just sitting up here on low volume, and I would look to see what happens on you know see if we fail to take out the Globex high or the Globex low. Very small range overnight. There's a lot of news coming out today and tomorrow, and I think most of the dealers are on the sidelines for that. All right, everybody have a good day trading. We'll talk to you later.